Hello everyone, I am Reja and today we will discuss about the new tutorial on PLSQL loop statement. Let's see another example of loop. So if we execute this statement and here count is 1. If I describe the code, here the declaration section and the variable v count is declared with type number and assign the value 0. Inside the begin and end block, we declare or write here the loop and end loop statement. Inside the loop statement, we increment the value of 1 and the final value of v count is printed here. The dbms output dot put line section statement actually. So this is the final result. Now we will see how to use the if condition in loop statement to terminate the operation. So let's see. If we execute this line, here we can see the result 10 count of result 1 to 10 and the statement is terminated after the value of 10 in exit. So this is the condition and this is the exit operation, exit statement. Now we will see when condition in loop statement. So I just want to remove this one and exit. So if I run this block, here we can see the sorry, we don't need exit actually. So run this one. Here we can see the same result 1 to 10 value printed in dbms output statement. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.